Hi, love. So I'm at the airport and it's 7:41. I'm going to Paris today. My flight is by 9:05. I have a feeling they're going to delay this flight. EasyJet. I just pray they don't. And I'm right here fighting the urge. The urge not to buy anything at the airport today. Like a sandwich goes for almost 12 euros. I always do it, but today I'm like, no, I won't. Nope. I'm going to respect myself. Why are you looking at me funny? Okay, I gotta go. Bye. At the Louvre. I'm at the Louvre and I really want to go inside, but can you see the crowd? Like, what? What in the name of God is that? No, no way, no way. But you're showing. That's you. Oh, so I want to do a room tour. So hold the camera. Okay. So I'll be behind. So welcome to our room tour. Welcome to our room tour. My cameraman, my videographer is Joel.
Me.
Yeah, so this is the living room area. And this is the view out Adejoke. Come, show them.
Not the best, but okay.
Yeah, why something, right? Okay, so let's go upstairs. Yeah, so we have this bed. Yeah,
it's not bad.
It's not bad. It's cute, right?
Yeah.
And there is a fan.
Nice fan.
How are we gonna show them?
I'm a great cameraman, right?
How do we turn on the light? Okay, let's show them the kitchen first. So this is just as like this little kitchen.
With an actual sink.
Yeah, move back. Where's your hand?
And microwave.
Yeah.
Over there. Yep, there, right there.
You can see the microwave.
Can you see it?
Yeah. And this is the stove top. Is that a fridge? Yeah.
And lucky we got a fridge with some.
Nothing.
And here's the TV too. The gaming lab.
We're gonna go to the gaming lab. I think. Okay. Yeah, when we went to Gabby. I told you. So what she told.
Adejoke. Hello guys, it's me, Joel. Say hello. Wait. Don't zoom in, Gabby. Hello, guys. So now we're just waiting for our parents to get ready, which is taking forever. And
Adejoke.
Yeah.
I dare to.
by the way, do you
I dare to meet.
BTY? Or by the way, whatever you guys like to call it.
Guys,
Do you like me being in the video more or Adejoke? Comment down below.
I dare to for that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment down below when you want to. Me or Adejoke? I would personally pick me because I have better decisions. And hopefully she doesn't cut out all of this. Because if she does,
we're gonna get fired.
You guys are shoeless, you know. Yeah.
and
What, guys?
by the way, do you guys like my outfit?
Guys, what are
It's this top, which I really like, and these trousers.
Guys, what?
After dinner, my full fit is Shein, bag, Zara, top skirt Shein, shoes Puma. Gabby's play suit is Zara. Look at how cute it is. Then she's wearing Crocs. Super cute.
What's wrong, Gabby?
Ooh, Joel, what are you wearing?
Zara.
Shoes. New Balance.
Yeah, New Balance.
You do it 12. Turn. Yes.
Now, mommy.
Okay.
Coming through.
Okay, mommy.
So my dress is River Island.
Okay.
My clogs, Birkenstock.
Okay.
My bag, Zara.
Okay.
And my face from God.
Good morning. Good morning. It's Saturday today, and we're going to Disneyland. My eyes look very sleepy because did I sleep or I don't know. But yeah, let me show you my outfit of the day. Chill. Let me put you guys here. My full fit is Zara. I want to cry. I've been looking forward to this since I was a child.
Okay, which one?
The red one. These are cute. She doesn't want this one. Gabby, everyone is getting this one.
Take it, please.
Why do you want this
Let me
color?
call Daddy. Daddy says get this one. Daddy.
It's giving scary house. Wait. It's flying! Okay. Yeah, this one. What is this? What is this, please? I see my fish. What's that? He's moving. Oh my god, it moves. Oh shit. Okay, that's creepy. Lovely.
Hey, Mr. Sunshine, won't you turn your love my way? You've been holding back your shining all these gloomy days, but I need you, and I need you back to stay. sunshine with a spark